What happens to muscles during exercise? Answer C, they tear slightly. How does exercise affect brain function? Answer C, boosts it. How does altitude affect exercise performance? Answer B, decreases oxygen availability. How long after eating should you wait before exercising? Answer B, 1-2 hours. Why does lactic acid build up during exercise? Answer A, lack of oxygen. Can exercise reduce stress? Answer A, yes. What role does hydration play in exercise? Answer C, essential for performance. Why is warming up important before exercising? Answer A, increases flexibility. Does music impact exercise performance? Answer C, yes, positively. What's the effect of sleep on exercise recovery? Answer C, speeds it up.